YouTube has been continuously updating its platform, policies, and monetization features. The primary method of monetization for creators has been the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which allows creators to earn money from ads shown on their videos. Here were the requirements and features of the YPP as of 2021. Channel eligibility. To be eligible for the YPP, you needed at least 1,000 subscribers, at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Ad revenue. Once in the YPP, creators earn money from display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, bumper ads, mid-roll ads, for videos over 8 minutes. Channel memberships. Some creators could offer monthly channel memberships to their subscribers. Members get badges, new emojis, and access to exclusive perks. Super Chat and Super Stickers. This was a feature that lets fans purchase and pin comments on live chat during live streams. YouTube Premium Revenue. If a subscriber signed up for YouTube Premium, the creator could earn a part of the fee, based on how much they watch your content. Merch Shelf. This allowed creators to showcase their official merchandise right on YouTube. Content Guidelines. Monetizing creators had to adhere to YouTube's advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Content that violated these guidelines, such as explicit content, hate speech, or misinformation, might not be eligible for monetization. YouTube Shorts Fund. In 2021, YouTube announced the YouTube Shorts Fund, a $100 million fund distributed over 2021-2022 to reward creators for their unique shorts content. However, it's worth noting that the world of online platforms and especially YouTube is ever evolving. The rules, features, and opportunities can change frequently. For the latest information on YouTube's monetization policies and updates, it's best to check YouTube's official blog or the monetization section in the YouTube Creator Studio. To ensure you're getting the most accurate and up-to-date information, I would recommend visiting YouTube's official site or referring to trusted online resources or publications that specialize in YouTube news and updates.